Hello viewer, MyFol is a nutritional supplementary that mainly contains folic acid, methylcobalamin, vitamin B12 and sometimes other vitamins depending on the brand. Mainly uses of MyFol tablet. MyFol tablet is used best for improve nerve health. It is best nutritional nerve pain and weakness. MyFol tablet is used if folic acid deficiency helps increase level of the folic acid and vitamin B12. MyFol tablet is used in anemia, useful in anemia patient deficiency and B12 sports in pregnancy. Folic acid in MyFol helps in healthy growth for baby, prevent birth defect of the brain and spine, and it is best used in the B12 and folic acid improve brain health and memories function. Pregnant women it is use this medicine and common side effect it's nausea, stomach spot, bloating and mid headache. Its price is only 25 per tablet. Its dose is one tablet used at 2 times in the days. Thank you.